we head north to help Chris do a engine swap to a 6.2 LT Chevy motor and a 10-speed transmission. This is more or less a tips and tricks video and not a direct how to swap your JK. Hope you enjoy. Hit that subscribe button and drop us a comment.
Now does that go higher?
So we had to do some modifications to the transfer case because of the 10-speed. It was recommended by the supplier not to run the 4-to-1 transfer case. So we had to swap out the input. We had to swap all of the drive shaft flanges. And also on these engines there was electric power steering pumps, so you have to swap water pumps in order to get a spot to put a power steering pump. They said that you need to cut these ribs off the back of the intake on the 6.2 because it makes more room. I really didn't see a purpose after we all got it back together. We also had to dent in the firewall. We had to make clearance in the one cross member though that wasn't in the instructions, but I think that's due to having a flange round style drive shaft. We had to make a couple other modifications as you'll see. like TV magic, it's swap. Chris is loading it up to bring it home to button up the other 20%, but as you know, it's the 80-20 rule. 80% of the work is done, the last 20% actually takes the 80%. Thanks for watching, we'll catch you on the next one. Hope you enjoyed this montage.